So first of all, open your browser, type strcp, and now click on the GitHub page. Once you are here, click on releases. Scroll down and download the Win64 zip file. It will start downloading. After download is complete, move the file anywhere you want. Desktop is fine. Now right click and extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder. You will see many files inside. Now we need to open scratp.exe, but when you double click it, you will see something like this. It opens a terminal for less than 1 second and then it closes automatically. This happens because we need to turn on an important setting on our phone. You cannot fix this from PC. You must grab your real phone. Now pick up your phone, connect it to your PC using USB cable, go to settings about phone, then tap on software information. Now find build number, tap it 7 times. After tapping, it will say you are now a developer. Now go back. Under about phone, you will now see developer options. Open it, turn on developer options, then scroll down, find USB debugging. This is the most important part. Turn on USB debugging. You may get a pop-up. Tap allow. Now go back to your PC, double click again. Your phone screen will instantly appear on your computer. That's it. We are done. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more simple tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.